Grant and Lora Jewelry is being promoted as a stylish online jewelry store offering elegant pieces at discounted prices. But the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another risky online shop. The store typically markets itself with high-quality product images, emotional branding, and big discounts, often giving an impression of a boutique or handcrafted jewelry brand. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many legitimate jewelry stores do operate online and sell similar designs, so the concept itself isn't the problem. However, here's the key issue. There's very little verified information about Grant and Lora Jewelry as a brand, and it follows a pattern seen in many low-trust jewelry websites: limited transparency, unclear ownership, and lack of strong independent reviews. Looking at similar jewelry stores in this space, the warning signs become clearer. Some comparable sites have extremely low ratings, with complaints about items never arriving, poor quality, and refund issues. Other reviews mention products looking cheap or different from what was advertised, along with slow shipping and weak customer service. There's also a broader pattern, where these types of jewelry brands reuse the same product images and marketing tactics, sometimes even operating under multiple different names. User experiences in this category tend to be mixed at best. Some people do receive their items, but many report disappointment with quality or difficulty getting support when something goes wrong. It's also important to understand that genuinely handcrafted or high-quality jewelry usually comes with clear material details, certifications, and consistent branding, things that are often missing from these types of stores. So, is Grant and Lora Jewelry real or fake? It's likely a real website that sells products, but it shows several warning signs of being unreliable rather than a fully trustworthy brand. The bottom line is that Grant and Lora Jewelry appears to be a high-risk online jewelry store with questionable credibility, so it's best to approach with caution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.